Cult groups adopted color combinations which represent respective OTs combined with unique dressing modes to stand out from the crowd. The pioneers initially mimicked sea pirates' style of dressing with bandanas, displaying main and auxiliary colors, white shirts, black trousers, socks, sash, waistcoats, then upgraded to berets and ribbons to portray self-acclaimed paramilitary ruggedity, which inspires members' popular appraiser ruggedly, as well as display their main and auxiliary colors, respectively. White shirts, black trousers, ties, socks, waistcoats, black suit jackets. All splinter cult groups mimicked this practice from the pioneers, while substituting berets, ribbons, ties, and socks with their respective adopted color combinations. Drinks are not left out, as all cult groups have unique traditional drinks, concocted or adopted alcoholic drinks as a result of the selected drinks' coincidental correlations with the cult groups' respective OTs. Fraternal handshakes are very much affiliated with any brotherhood. Likewise, Nigerian campus cult groups adopted varying handshakes and hand gestures with great significance to their respective OTs, most of which were mimicked from foreign gangs, handshakes, and hand signs. Cult groups' emulation of the law of Omata prompts them to devise a means of encoded communication, with the intent to be decoded solely by members, which is basically a combination of lexical register that pertains to their respective OTs and made-up jargon. Likewise, strictly enforced guidelines which dictate members' code of conduct and attract disciplinary action for early members. Campus cult groups membership was strictly restricted to tertiary institutions that were assigned particular code names, presided over by a hierarchical structure which mimicked that of the Student Union Government (SUG) with modifications to suit their respective duties. Notwithstanding, due to the myriad court wars and killings in tertiary institutions branches, the pioneers spearheaded the re-establishment of membership at local, state and federal government branches, each assigned code names and accommodated graduate membership, non-students and even popular personalities membership. Female cult groups are not excluded from the pale of the topic, being female counterparts of male cult groups, as they share the same doctrine and ideology with their respective male cult group or counterparts. Cult groups, aka Kofra, Kush, generally refer to members as system man, game man, runs man, intellectual, guy man, alongside their respective cult group aliases, while members adopt individual code names having nomenclature which often follow certain patterns or just word names as a means of encoded identification among one another. Likewise, male and female non-members, as well as rival cult groups, are often addressed with varying humiliating terms by the respective cult group in order to discredit their non-membership.